we're going to cover the basics on how to easily remove your split ends once and for all from the comfort of your own home. First, let's go over what comes in the box. The Split Ender Pro, charger, travel case, cleaning brush, instructions, and the adapter has an indicator light to let you know that it is charging, and it'll turn green once it's fully charged. Start off with freshly washed and dried hair, free of any product. Also, be sure to brush out any tangles to avoid any pulling. We have to unlock the split ender and open the plate by pushing the switch down. It's important to set the direction based on whether you're doing the left side or right side of your hair. If you do not set the direction of the blade, the split ender will not work. There are 2 buttons on the unit. Make sure you press the button with the arrow pointing down towards the tip of your hair. Grab a 2-inch section of hair, brushing out any remaining tangles, and spread into a thin layer. Clamp each section of hair between the hair plates and slowly run the split ender through it. Repeat this 3 times for optimal results. Now let's do the right side. Switch directions by pressing the button of the arrow pointing down towards the end of your hair. Clamp each section of hair between the hair plates and slowly run the split ender. Repeat this 3 times for optimal results. When you are done running the split ender through your hair, you will notice your hair is much healthier, softer, and shiny. For the Split Ender Pro, changing the trim setting spacer is easy. Simply pull the spacer out and replace it with your preferred length by sliding it into the channels above the brushes. The Split Ender Pro 2 comes with a 1/4-inch guide fixed to the blade. When you're done, emptying and cleaning your split ender is as easy as pressing the notch and sliding it forward to remove the lid. For optimal results, clean your split ender after each use. Clean the blades and the reservoir using your cleaning brush.